Carl Linnaeus, also known as Carl von Linné, was a Swedish botanist, zoologist, and physician whose groundbreaking work laid the foundation for the system of classification used in biology today. Often called the Father of Modern Taxonomy, Linnaeus revolutionized how scientists name, categorize, and understand the natural world. His system of binomial nomenclature, giving every species a two-part Latin name, remains the universal standard in biology, ensuring order and consistency in the study of life. Linnaeus was born on May 23, 1707, in Röshult, Sweden, the son of a Lutheran pastor who introduced him to plants at an early age. His fascination with nature grew into a lifelong passion. He studied medicine at Lund University and later at Uppsala University, where he quickly gained a reputation for his knowledge of botany. During this period, medicine and botany were closely linked, as many treatments came from plants. Linnaeus's botanical skills eventually led him to a medical practice and an academic career, but his true legacy was in natural history. In 1735, Linnaeus published Systema Naturae, his most famous work. In it, he introduced a structured system for classifying and naming living organisms. Instead of long, descriptive phrases previously used to identify species, he introduced the elegant simplicity of binomial nomenclature, a genus name followed by a species name, such as Homo sapiens for humans. This innovation standardized biological classification and made it easier for scientists around the world to communicate about species without confusion. Linnaeus categorized life into kingdoms, classes, orders, genera, and species, creating a hierarchical structure that reflected both similarities and differences among organisms. While his original system was based largely on physical characteristics, it provided a crucial framework that has been adapted and expanded with modern genetics and evolutionary biology. His work also extended to the animal kingdom, as he classified mammals, birds, reptiles, and other groups in ways that remain recognizable today. Throughout his career, Linnaeus described thousands of species of plants and animals, many of which were newly discovered during the Age of Exploration. His influence spread quickly across Europe, shaping natural science during the Enlightenment. He also trained a generation of students who traveled the world collecting specimens, bringing back knowledge that expanded his system and enriched scientific understanding. In recognition of his contributions, Linnaeus was ennobled in 1761, taking the name Carl von Linné. He continued his academic work at Uppsala University, where he served as a professor and inspired countless students. By the end of his life, his system had become the foundation of biological science, transforming taxonomy into an organized discipline. Carl Linnaeus died on January 10, 1778, but his legacy lives on. Every time a scientist names a new species or organizes life into categories, they are using the system he pioneered. His work bridged the gap between descriptive natural history and modern biology, leaving a lasting impact on how humanity understands the diversity of life on Earth.